Okay, so I just stumbled upon this extensive list of advanced JavaScript questions, and it's blowing my mind.
No way. What kind of questions are we talking about here? Like the really complex stuff?
Exactly. We're talking about things like closures, hoisting, and even the event loop. It's like a labyrinth of concepts.
Oh, wow. Closures are so fascinating. They always throw people for a loop. What do you think makes them tricky?
Well, I think it's because they deal with scope in a way that can feel counterintuitive. Like, wait, what?
Right. When you first learn, you assume functions just hang out in their local scope, but they can access outer scopes. That's wild.
Totally. And think about it. If closures are allowing that kind of access, then how does it work under the hood?
Great question. It's all about the lexical environment. When a function is created, it captures the context around it.
Aha! So basically it remembers where it was created, right? That gives it superpowers.
Exactly. And that's crucial for things like callbacks and event handlers. Imagine if they didn't work that way.
Yikes! That sounds like a nightmare. Just imagine trying to keep track of everything with no closures.
For real. And then there's hoisting. It feels like magic until you realize it's just JavaScript's way of dealing with scope.
Wait, seriously? I remember being confused about why I could call a function before declaring it. Like, what's happening?
It's all about hoisting. JavaScript lifts function declarations to the top of their enclosing scope. Mind-blowing.
That's actually kind of scary. So technically, I could use a variable before declaring it?
Exactly. But be careful with variables. Only function declarations are hoisted, not variable initializations.
Wow, that totally changes how you write your code. It makes you think about order differently.
Now let's talk about the event loop. It's like the unsung hero of JavaScript.
Oh, that's so true. It handles async operations, but explaining it makes my head spin. What should we break down?
It's all about the call stack and the callback queue. They're like two gears working together, right?
Exactly. And the call stack has to be empty for the event loop to process anything from the queue. Mind blown.
Right. Imagine code saying, "I'll wait here until you're free." It's quite polite of it.
Haha, totally. But let's also talk about execution context. That adds another layer.
Yes, each function call creates a new exec context. So if we stack calls, it becomes a multi-layer cake.
I love that analogy. And with closures, that's where the layers really start to matter.
Exactly. They can encapsulate each context, making it easier to manage state in your apps.
So it's like a time capsule for each state. Wait, what if we could visualize this?
Oh, that could be a fun project. Imagine an interactive diagram showing the flow of execution.
Yes, and tie it back to real-world problems like callback hell. It'd be super illustrative.
Yes, and think about how async await helps flatten the structure. It's a game changer.
Agreed, but wait, we should probably touch on the this keyword. It's another confusing gem.
Oh man, this can be such a double-edged sword. Depending on the execution context, it changes meaning.
Right? And even in arrow functions, it behaves differently. It can trip you up.
Absolutely. So when you want to maintain the context, using arrow functions can save the day.
This is really bringing everything full circle. Do you think new developers really grasp these concepts?
I think it takes time, but with conversations like this and practice, they totally can.
Exactly. Each of these concepts builds on one another, creating a deeper understanding.
So if we tie it all together, closures, hoisting, the event loop, and this, it's all interconnected.
That really hits hard. It's like a web of concepts that makes you rethink coding entirely.
And it reminds us there's always more to explore. What's something we haven't touched on?
How about prototypes and inheritance? That's a whole other rabbit hole.
Oh wow, absolutely. But let's save that for another time or we'll never stop.
Fair point, but I'm leaving this conversation inspired. So many layers to peel back.
Same here. Let's keep digging deeper into JavaScript. Who knows what other surprises await?
You know it. I can't wait to explore more and keep this adventure going.